Hi, I'm Tess and welcome to Toll House Cooking. Today we're going to be learning how to cook the classic chocolate chip cookies. It's always good to start with your everyday basic bowl to begin. First, we're going to combine the flour, baking soda, and salt in a small bowl, which we have right here. So, the recipe calls for 2 1/4 cup of flour. So, how do you get to that?
Kind of shit. Excuse me. Watch it all fall out.
It's your turn.
Okay.
Now over to Nina.
Hi, I'm Nina and welcome to Toll House Cooking. So we're making chocolate chip cookies and the recipe calls for 2 1/4 cups of flour. Now, I'm using the spoon to oh my gosh. That was a trick. Okay. So here we have 1 cup. Going on 2.
So tell us, Nina, what is your favorite method of measuring?
My favorite method of measuring would probably be the spooning the flour into the cup.
Uh-huh.
I don't really like the scoop method.
Oh.
Alright. That's 2. Now, 1/4. This is messy business. And I can't.
So, what do you prefer to add after you put in the flour?
Well, I usually just do it the way the recipe calls for. I don't really follow the directions like, put the flour in with the baking soda. I don't do that. I just go in order.
Okay.
So next, we have the baking soda. 1 teaspoon. Nice job, Tim. And I don't want to get too much. One time, that wasn't good. Remember? When I added too much salt. And
the trick to making classic perfect cookies is adding